Hi, this is Chris Wagner. We're going to be going over the major components inside the Power Platform in 5 minutes. All right, at KratosBI.com, I've got a blog post that talks about the major pieces inside the Power Platform. Check it out for all the links that we'll be going over today. If you want to get started inside the Power Platform, there's an excellent resource that's only 18 minutes out on the Learn site that can go into more detail around each of these tools that we're going to be talking about. First piece that we're talking about is Power BI. This is the reporting and analytics component. It's a self-service portal that allows you to dig into apps, data, leverage, machine learning, the whole ball of wax. Really recommend getting started with it. Watch the videos out on this site, but also check out Microsoft's Learn site. It's a great resource for you to get up and running in 47 minutes using Power BI. Excellent option, great resource. If you're looking for hands-on training, check out the Dashboard a Day program. They have that at Gold Partners and Microsoft offices all over the world. Great resource to learn more about Power BI. Next piece inside the Power Platform is the Power Apps. Power Apps allows you to build out applications super easy without the need of IT or mad programming or developing skills. They call this a low code, no code offering because you'll be doing little tiny bits of scripting, but it's something that, like, if you could do an Excel formula, you can do Power Apps. So do check it out. Again, Microsoft Learn has a wonderful resource to get started and going in this. And they also have a wonderful App in a Day roadshow that you can go out, sign up for, and go learn how to build out an app with hands-on guidance and training at any of the Microsoft offices. Highly recommend that you check it out. Power Automate is the third pillar inside the Power Platform. This is what connects everything, drives everything, makes everything run, fly, move, and it does it all automatically. You need to send an email automatically when someone sends you a tweet. Power Automate's your source. Again, Power Automate you can do standalone in cases, but realistically speaking, the best way to learn about Power Automate is through how you'd use it inside of an app. So where you go to learn about it is out inside the App in a Day roadshows. If you're looking to get started, they do have a community plan for both Power Apps and Power Automate. Go ahead and get started out there. The final piece, major component of the Power Platform, are the Power Virtual Agents. This allows anyone to build out a Power. This allows you to build out a chatbot with no coding. Straight up, if you're trying to save yourself some time, make things run easier, be able to respond to questions that people have, and allow an AI to respond to it instead of you having an answer to everything. This is a great resource for you to use. I highly recommend checking it out. It's a brand new product. I don't think it's in GA yet. Might be, but there's not a lot of materials out there. Go out and check out the links. Those are, that's the last major piece inside the Power Platform. The other piece that we're going to be talking about are the common components that tie everything together inside the Power Platform. First off, it's your data connectors. This is what allows you to connect to Oracle or SQL Server or email or Twitter or Facebook or whatever it is you need to connect to. Connectors allow you to do that inside of Power BI, Power Apps, and Power Automate. It ties everything together and makes those connectors work. The next item that they have is the Power Portal. This allows you to make data and applications accessible and available to your clients outside of your organization. This is a great option, but it's one that you need to speak to your security team about first. You can say you heard about it here on Kratos BI, but you should also tell them that you heard that you need to talk to security first as well. So check that out. One of the final pieces is the AI Builder. This allows you to build out some really impressive AIs to help you inside your business. This is something that anyone can do. You don't need to be a data scientist to get up and running in it. I highly recommend that you check it out. Once you build out in here, you're able to use it in Power Apps and Power BI and gain further insights and help drive your business. And the last piece, definitively the last, is the Common Data Service. This is what provides data to the entire Power Platform, be it Power Apps, Power Automate, or Power BI. The Common Data Service is used to store that data that's used by any of these services. So this is the quickest I can do a rundown of the Power Platform. Tons of resources out there. Check out the link. Go out, like, subscribe, buy me a coffee, and I'll send out a letter with stickers to thank you for your support. Really appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye.